Hi, today I'm going to show you how to use Affirm card online. So, the Affirm card gives you flexibility right in your wallet. You can use it to set up a payment plan directly in the app or simply pay the full amount upfront. And for bigger purchases, request to pay over time. For everyday spending, treat it like a regular debit card and use it anywhere Visa is accepted across the US. Here's how it works. If you want to split a purchase into payments, request a plan before checkout and just follow the on-screen steps. Prefer to decide afterward? That's fine too. Just be sure your card is connected to the bank account. Linking your bank also allows you to pay in full just like a normal debit card. Say you're planning to a large purchase, like a new couch. Requesting a plan before checkout is the easiest option. You will know right away if you are approved, so the process is quicker and more predictable for your budget. To do this, open the app, head to the card tab, and choose Plan a Purchase. Now, search for your store or simply type in the name if it doesn't appear. Enter the total amount, including taxes and shipping. Then, review the plan that fits your budget. Select your payment method, swipe your Affirm card, and you're set. You'll have to ask to finish the purchase. And if you change your mind, you can edit or cancel. And if you spend less than planned, you'll only be charged for what you actually use. So, to get even more from your card, link it to your bank account. This lets you create a plan after checkout or use it as an everyday debit card. Linking is simple inside the app under the Card tab. Also, Affirm uses Plate to connect your bank, keeping your details safe and secure. Already made a purchase and wish you could split the cost? Once your bank is linked, you can. Just pay with your Affirm card at checkout as usual. If notifications are enabled, you'll be alerted if the purchase is eligible to be split. Otherwise, open the app and check the Card tab. Make sure you have enough money to cover the entire purchase first, and you will have 24 hours to decide, request a plan, and confirm your payment method. And for everyday needs, whether it's a coffee run or a late night movie ticket, just use your Affirm card like any other debit card. The money will be pulled from your linked bank account in 1 to 3 days. Your available spending limit is always shown in the app. So ready to shop on your terms? Take your Affirm card with you anywhere you go. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.